Wow. Okay, so guys, we are going to check out the 2-bedroom of the Broadstone luxurious apartments, and I'm so excited. Look at the little trims on the door and everything. So let's check it out. This is it. This is it. We're here. 204. Hi.
Welcome, come on in.
Oh my goodness. Wow.
Thanks so much for stopping by.
Absolutely. So this is Mark. Well, I'll let you introduce yourself.
I'm Marquise. I'm the leasing manager here at Broadstone, Queen City.
Yeah.
Newest property in Uptown, Charlotte, located right in the middle of Uptown and South End, Charlotte. So today we're in our 2B floor plan. It's 1,081 square feet.
Okay.
And I wanted, show Victoria because she's so amazing and she does such a great job like showing off our property.
Guys, this property is already amazing. I'm in love. So let's go ahead. So do you want to just kind of take us through?
Oh yeah, I'll walk you through. All right, so let's start off in the kitchen and we can go over a general gist of what we have here. So as you see, our kitchens all feature island style with the sink in the middle, and then you'll have all stainless steel appliances with LED lighting under the backsplash. One of my favorite features is that the fact that you have the knobs up front. All right.
Yeah.
So,
okay.
Usually we have them in the back.
In the back.
Reach over the burner
and get burnt.
Don't need that happening.
Yeah.
All right. And another cool feature is you'll have your garbage disposal up front instead of reaching underneath.
Underneath. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Now, based on our floor levels, you also get to change your finishes. So right now we have the black finishes with the gray back.
For the second floor.
Yes.
So we are actually on the second floor of the apartment. How many floors?
6 floors.
So this apartment has 6 floors, and so basically what Marquise has just said that with each floor you can choose a different finish. That's really cool. You don't see many places doing that around here. And can we get into these lights? These lights are amazing.
Yes. Perfect accent.
Absolutely. I love the gold touch. So yeah.
Well, let's look at the master bedroom, or for better terms, owner suite. Taking notes, right?
Right. Oh, this is very nice. Yes, queen.
Yes. And yes, this is a queen size bed as well. So as you can see, you have the perfect setup for a queen size bed.
Yeah.
And you can fit a dresser right here, maybe your floor to ceiling window, and all apartments will have the ceiling fan in the owner suite as well.
Do you know what? I don't think I would actually put a dresser here. I like the open concept. I would put my dresser in the...
And like an accent chair over here for reading.
I will put my dresser in the closet. Yes. And the closet is very spacious. I did see that, yeah.
So this master bathroom as well, you have the dual vanity sinks, right? And I like the mirrors. Isn't that so nice?
I love it.
His and hers or whatever. And then
the walk-in shower. I know we talked about it earlier, yeah.
I mean, if you see, you have to get inside. I tell everybody,
it's big enough for 2. Let me not fall. That's my butt, but.
It's the whole party.
No, yeah, this is definitely, you can even get 3 in here.
And then you have that master closet.
Yeah.
You could put a blow-up mattress or something right there.
That's right. You know what I've seen a lot of couples do with kids? They actually use the closet space as a bedroom for a kid instead of having to, use a whole room.
That's the selling point.
That's right. And so, obviously right now in the apartment, they're using this for kind of storage because we've had a lot of, it seems, you were telling me you've had a lot of new deliveries. Yes. So that's just all this is. But even with the big box in here, you can see that this closet is very, very spacious. So you can fit a kid in there. I'm just kidding. Maybe not a kid, but you can fit a lot of stuff in there.
Alright, so this layout is perfect for the roommate situations because a lot of people are new to Charlotte. So that the fact that one bedroom is on one side and the guest is on the opposite side, and they're pretty much the same size as well. So in this one,
it's the second bedroom. Wow, okay.
So pretty much same layout. It looks a little bit more spacious. You still have a queen size bed with the 2 nightstands. And again, you could still do the accent chair or you can do the nightstand.
Yeah, absolutely. I love the touch of gold everywhere. It's so nice. I love gold, in case I haven't said that enough already. And one thing, guys, I really love about these apartments are the windows. I don't know, we've pointed that out. There's so many windows in this apartment, which just makes it so open. And, this unit especially just overlooks the pool, and it's perfect, guys.
Such a good point.
Yeah, so I don't know about y'all, but my window would be open like all the time. So we are in the second bathroom and the second bedroom, and this one has a tub rather than a walk-in shower, which if you guys already follow my channel, you know I prefer the tub rather than the walk-in shower. I know, call me old school, but that's what I love about this. And I also, this is really minute, but I love these little lipsticks. These are actually real lipsticks. How cute is that? And also this one as well has a very, very spacious closet. You can fit probably 2 kids in this one. I'm just kidding. Guys, these are all jokes, but very spacious closet, very, very lovely. And you know, this closet, well, there's another door that will lead you right out again into the living space area. So
it's very
I love that. Yeah.
Just because you may have guests, so they don't have to go through your bedroom.
No, that's a very, very great feature. I love that.
Now, I can tell you like price points for these ones. Like this exact unit, starting on the second floor, starts off at about $2,170, and then you'll also get 6 weeks free on top of that as well.
Really?
So, yeah. So
6 weeks free.
Are doing like specials like that. So yeah, factor that in. If you were to spread it out across your lease term, it'll drop it back down to about $1,900.
Wow, $1,900 to be right in the middle of Uptown. I don't know, guys. That's a steal to me.
I'll take it.
So yeah, I'll take it. Oh, I love these. I didn't even pay attention to this. The built-in shelf. Yeah.
Shelves, yes.
How nice.
One of my favorite features, and all of our apartments have them as well. So you know, typically you'll have a coat closet, but this one is exposed coat closet. So it kind of forces you to keep.
I love this. Yeah.
You know? And then right next to your mudroom, you'll have your washer and dryers.
I find this is actually a lot more modern now. Yeah.
So again, HD appliances, side by side, not stackable, and you have that additional storage space up top.
So every apartment comes with a washer and dryer.
Every apartment, yes. 2 bedrooms will be side by side. 1 bedroom will be stacked. Up top.
Okay. Still very nice. I love the cabinets, very spacious, and a lot of storage space here.
And it only gets better from here. So next, I'll go and show you the 1 bedroom.
All right, so we are going now to go check out the other 1 bedroom apartment here. So come along with us. Hello friends, thank you so much for taking a tour of this beautiful apartment once again with me. If you are not aware, this is actually part 3 of the Broadstone Queen City series tour. If you haven't already, be sure to check out the other 2 videos right below. I've shared a link to both of them where I would love your feedback. I would love you to watch it and let me know. Would you love me to keep shooting videos like this? And also guys, if you haven't subscribed already, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Thanks guys, bye.